how to fix battery percentage stuck on Android. So if you want to fix your battery percentage stuck on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of battery. After that, tap on it. It might be in different spots depending on your phone model, but it should be easy to find. Then you need to tap on the battery option to open the battery settings, and you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of battery percentage or show battery percentage in status bar. This is where you can control if the battery percentage shows up. So you need to go and enable the option and it will appear on your status bar. Now you can go back to your home screen and navigate to the system section. Or you can also go with your top and then you'll find an option of about phone, tap on it, and then go with your version. If you have any updates on your version, then you just need to simply go and update it. And after updating your system, your problem might be fixed. And now you can check to see if your battery percentage is no longer stuck. After that, head back to your home screen again, and you will find a reset option. Or you can just simply go with your search, which will be on the top. And from here, you need to go and search for reset. After that, tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth. Now go with reset settings, which will be on the bottom, and then confirm your PIN, and after resetting, your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.